discussion is computational thinking, and there are several topics. In several topics we will play first with alphabets. Okay, now for alphabets, first ever you have to write in the 5 pair of entire A to Z, so that it become 5:5 ratio. Now suppose I am starting with a very basic question, that is like this. Now how can I find out the relation between this? How can I find out the relation between? Can you have any hint? Now see, first I will find out the relationship, okay, between P and I. Tell me, first P is here and P with I. I is where? Here only, right? Okay, P is here and I is here. Or if I move, which is the nearest one? Which is the nearest one? Can you tell me? P and LJ. It is LJ, sorry. It is LJ. No? Then only it can happen. P and LJ, and J is very near to I, that is -1. Okay, L and G. Tell me L and G. L and G. How much back I have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to move -5. Now N and E. Tell me N and E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times we have to move. -9 times. And P and C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 times. Is this okay to you, beta? 13 times, right? So for this one, V, T, R, P, what I will do? T, so is I, J, right? So for here I have to write the space, right? Now baat hai. So T means here I will put S. I will put S now. -1. Now 5. Now 5. So I will move from L to G. So R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M. It will come M. Then next is 9. So T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be K. And then it is 13. So from V, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 will be your I. So S, M, K, I. Is this okay? I, J, K. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़े. एक और क्वेश्चन लेते हैं लाइक दिस वे. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2. We have given a alphabet series, okay, like this way. Suppose इसको अगर मैं select करूँ, wait, ना इसको मैं select कर लेती हूँ. They are given this series of alphabets and they asking about the last two digits. So I have written like this way in my 5:5 ratios. So find out these values. How can I do that? I find this. They are asking X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z. Again CBA. CBA means they are moving in this direction. First they are moving in this direction. Suppose I write this here only. So first they are moving in this direction, then they are moving backward direction. Then UVW. UVW. Again they are moving in these directions. And FE. So FED. First will be FED. So here will be FED. Now they are moving again in the forward direction from the lower portion. So it will be what? RST. RST. So what it will be? Next is R. So my answer will be D and R. Is this okay? Hello? Answer will be D and R. Okay? They have given us A, C, F, J is to E, G, J, N, proportions to I, K, N, R, I, K, N, R, and they are asking the next one. How can I make the relation? First we will see the relationship. J and E. J and E. Okay, like this way. And F and G. F and G. J and E. First I will write A, C, F, J and E, G, J, N. Okay, J and E. How many times we go? 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 times, right? -4 times. Then F and G. F and G -1. F and G -1. Then C and J. C and J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. -6 times. And A and N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times, right? It is how many times? -13 times. So can you find out the next one? Hmm?
And I think the
Or
answer will
see,
be 10
one more
minutes.
relationship I can find out. One more relationship. Can you tell me the one more relationship, beta? See. Uh, wait. See, this is the one pattern of relationship. Again, I can find out one more relationship. See, how can I find out? I have A, C, F, J and E, G, J, N. Okay. Now see A and E. A and E. How many distance? 1, 2, 3, fourth one means plus 4. Okay. Now C to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Is this okay? Now F to J. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. And J to N. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. Plus 4. So everything is just plus 4. So I can write it more easy, right? I, K, N, R is to what it will be? I. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be N. I na 1, 2, 3, 4. M. M. K. 1, 2, 3, 4. O. N. 1, 2, 3, 4. R. R ka 1, 2, 3, 4. It was V. So M, O, R, V. Right? It VIMN is to this and the, proportion to curd, then what it will be the answer last one. What it will be, use this alphabet arrangement and find out the value. Okay, good. BIMN is to CKPR. So B plus plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4, right? So according to this you have done this. So plus 1 is C plus 1 E na D and then 2. So U plus 2 is your 1 2 W R 3 1 2 3 U and D 4 1 2 3 4 is H. This one is your answer. Question is your tech TEKCAR is to racket RACKET, then double proportion TCEJBO JEBO. Then what it will be the next one? Tell me. One is the different one, right? For they are going this side and this side, so they are opposite for this one. So what I did, this side first I will go to the backward direction, but I will write in the forward direction. So I get object and as my answer. My topic will be Venn diagram. From very basic I will make you understand. Suppose in a class I have 30 students. Suppose in the class I have 30 students. In that 30 student, suppose 18 like maths, 18 likes maths, then 12 likes science, suppose 12 likes science, and in that only 8 likes both math and science. Math and science. Okay? This is the data we have get. Now they are asking how many students like only mathematics. Only mathematics. Okay? Only maths. How many students? How many students? How can you answer this thing? How can you answer? Just only maths means they are saying like math, but it doesn't mean that only maths they are liking. Okay, so what I will do nothing but only maths means total maths, okay, minus student liking maths and science, maths and science both. Okay, so what it will be the answer? Answer will be 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8, so it will be 10 only. Okay, 10 will be my answer. That is number of students who are liking only maths. Okay, now see again these type of questions only. I will do some of the couple of these type of questions. Now see, suppose I have a survey. Okay, I have a survey, and in that survey I got that 60 people likes tea. 60 people like tea. In that survey I got that 40 people your like coffee. And in that survey only I got that 25 people like your coffee and tea both. Now question they are asking that how many people like only tea or only coffee. How many only tea or only coffee. Only coffee. See, they are asking about only tea and only coffee. So how can I got? See, one thing more I will say you, whenever you come across this or word na, it directly means plus, because in computation or means plus. Okay, logic gates actually. And means multiply. Always keep in mind this thing in computations. Logic gates working in this method. So since in the question they are asking or, so I have to calculate it how. See how I can calculate. Now see, coffee is 40 people, 60 is your tea people, and 25 like both. So if I ask only tea, then how can I do it? I will minus. So 60 minus 25, what will be the answer? 35 people. That 35 people only like your tea. Now only coffee. Coffee will be what? 60 minus 40. So it will be 20. So 20 people are only liking coffee. But this is not my answer, because at answer they are asking how many people like tea plus or coffee. That means tea plus coffee. In our language it will be tea plus coffee. So my answer will be, beta ji, 35 plus 20, that is 55 people. 40 minus 25. So, sorry. 40 minus 25 it will be. It will be my 15. So I will add 35 plus 15. So it will become 50. Okay. Hello. Suppose they are asking in a group. Okay. In a group of people or students, whatever you may assume. In a group of how many people? 100 peoples. 100 people group. Okay. And in that group, 70 people like pizza. Like pizza. In that group, 45 like burgers. 45 like burgers. And in that group only 30 like both. Like both. Okay. Now the question is asked, how many people neither like pizza nor burger? Neither like pizza nor burger. Okay. Can you do? Make you do today my measure, because it's the first one. See, steps. There are 70, 45 and 30 people. Now if I ask your that people who like at least one. People who like your at least one, na, anything one. So you have to minus your both one option, that is pizza plus burger minus both. Okay, so what you will get? 70 plus 45 minus 30, what will be the answer? It will be 85. Okay, so now I have total group of 100 people, na. So people who like neither pizza nor burger, उनको कुछ भी पसंद नहीं है. So what it will be? It will be 100 minus 85 and I will get the answer 15. Okay, I will get the answer 15. What they are saying in question number 4, in a college, they are asking that in a college, there 40 student plays cricket. 40 student plays cricket. Okay, plays cricket. Now 30 play football. 30 play football. Football. And 20 play both. Play both. Okay, now question is that find the number of students who play either cricket or football but not both. This is interesting, na. They are asking find the number of people, number of students actually in the college one, who play either cricket or football. Either cricket or football means or they are giving, and then they are asking but not both. But not both. They are asking this one. So how can I start? See, step by step. Only cricket. Only cricket, how many are playing? So I will add everything and then I will minus. So 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. 20 will play only cricket. Now only football. Only football, how can I calculate? 30 minus 20. It will be 10 only. But either, but not both. Either, but not both. Means they are playing either any one, cricket or football, but not both one. Na? So what I will do? They are only playing cricket, they are only playing football, but nothing the both one they are doing, right? So my answer will be 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay, my answer will be this one only. Suppose that I have 50 students. Okay, now in 50 students, what they are asking? We have 50 students. Now in that 50 students, now reading is done by 28. Okay, who like them, and 22 writing, 22 is likes writing, and 15 students like both. 15 students likes both, means reading and writing both. Now they are asking how many students like only one of the two activities. How many students like only one of the two activities. Two activities. How can I start? See, step by step procedure. Only reading. Only reading. So how can I do? I will minus 28 minus 15. Okay, so what it will be? 13 students. Only writing. Only writing. What I will do? 22 minus 15. So what it will be? 7. But only one. Only one. So what I will do? I will just add 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. So 20 people will, students will only like any one of the two activities. Okay. Did you got? They are saying in the question that flower, Flower, flower is written in such a code that is UOLDVI. Okay, so in this pattern only write the terminal code. Terminal code will be what? Terminal code will be what? So travel कैसे कहेंगे? How many we are traveling from the forward direction? They are traveling from the backward direction. So first one is 6, then second one is your 12. Now see O. O 1 2 3 4. O is 10, 10 and 15. O is for 15. So from here we have to travel 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. L. Is this okay? You understanding now? So tell me what will be the terminals. 6 12 15. This one over, this one over, this one over. W. W 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 20 21 22 23. It is 23. W is 23. So I have to travel from the back side. 23. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So it will be D. So see, it is D. Now do according to yourself like this way, na? 6 12 23 and 3 20 6. First one is 6, second one is 12. D 1 2 3 4. Now O. O is 15. O is 15. O is 15. W is 23. E. So 1 2 3 4 5. E is 5. E is 5. And R is 1 2 3 10 15 16 17 18. R is 18. So you have to travel like this way, beta. 6 12 15 23, then 23, after that 5, and then 18. 18. So travel like this way. So T अगर सामने से जा रहा है तो then you have to go by this way only. Travel. Meher. This will be your this. Write the answer. And suppose see I have a series of number like this way. 9, 17, 31, 57. Question mark. What it will be middle, and then 205. Now you have to find out the relationship among this. How can you go through by? It is very easy. You know how? See, 2 and 17. What is the relation? It is 8. Very good. Answer will be 107. They are given like this way. So how can I calculate? How can I calculate? See, what I will do first. 3x plus 3 is equal to 250 minus 7. What will be the answer? What will be the answer, beta ji? It will be 343. 3 to the power x plus 7 is equal to 250. Okay. So I have to minus. So what I will get? 243. 243. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 243. Now 243 will be how many times? So what I will do? I will take out the factorization of 243. 8 1 9 ना, नो छोटा निकालते हैं. 9 टाइम्स में ये 9 आ जाएगा, फिर 9 टाइम्स में ये 1 आएगा. सो 3 इंटू 9 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 इंटू 3, फिर 9 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 इंटू 3, राइट. सो आई हैव टू टेक आउट इन दिस फॉर्म. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, 3 इंटू 3, और आई कैन से 3 टू द पावर 5, और आई कैन राइट 3 टू द पावर 2 plus 3, right, is equal to 3 to the power x plus 3. Now when I compare this thing, I am getting x is equal to 2 only. What I get?